Okay. Nag-usap na kayo ni Nev.
What did you do this time? Ano? Nag-cheat ka kay Liv? Zach, may sinasabi si Liv na isang babaeng pinagsaselosan niya. So what now, Zach? Look at me.
There's nothing going on between me and that woman. Ano ba problema niyo? Pareho kayo eh. Get it. Look! Tayo naman mag-spar. Ano ka na advance dyan? Time for you to level up. Do it. Okay, bro. Okay. Sige, ako muna dito sa baba. Para may advantage ka naman, bro. Okay. So, you're getting strong, Luke!
Look! Hoy, Zach! Can't you see he's stepping out? Tama na! Look!
Oh, bakit?
Hindi mo ba nakikita nagtatapos to siya kanina ba?
Naglalaro lang kami ah. Bakit? Gano'n kami.
Alam mo, kung may away kayo
mag-away.
ni Liv, huwag mo may buhos sa fiancé ko, Zach!
Okay. Gano'n naman kami. It's the big deal. God!
Shut up, Zach!
Makinig ka sa akin. Ayoko sa lahat. Yung pinagmamalakihan ako ng babae. It's not about! Ano? Sabi no?
Shut up!
See? Okay lang. Oh, okay lang! Anong big deal? My God, next time bro, lalakasan mo yung top. Di ko kasi na-feel. I'm sorry, okay? My God, mga people, confetti!
Kakahiya yung ginawa mo. There are people watching.
Look, I was just defending you.
Look like a weakling. Oh, that's nice.
Look, so what? You're not gonna see me anymore. Okay, mag-overtime ka na naman. But look, you told me you were gonna see me. So, mas priority mo na yung work kasi sa akin.
Hey, Amelian.
Opo, sir.
Yeah, okay. I need you now. No, that's so unfair. You're always like that. Mas gusto mong ilaan yung time mo dyan kasi sa akin. You're so unfair. You have to give me a specific time. I can't just wait here for nothing. Really? What now? Ewan sa'yo. Lagi ka nalang ganyan, Luke. Tapos, you know what? Whatever, Luke. Forget it. Wala na rin akong ganang makita yung pagmumukha mo. Di bale na lang.
Try niyo din po yung s'more start namin. Specialty ko po ito.
Ang alat! Did you put salt in there?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Anong hindi? Ayan, tikman mo. O, yan, tikman mo.
Aray.
Sabi, tikman mo. Sobra naman kayo.
Kahit customer kayo dito, wala kayong karapatang bastusin ako.
Masagot ka pa, ha? Bakit sino ka ba, ha? Isa ka lamang bobong server.
Chef ako dito.
Chef? A bobo chef! My God! Bobo! You know what? I think today's the perfect day for you to propose your business deal to Zach. Are you sure? Yeah, trust me, Beshi. Come on, I'm rooting for you. Hey, man, hold on. Emma!
Ay! Ano?
Emma, pakitawag yung boss mo.
Ano pong sabihin ko?
Huwag ka na magtanong, tawagin mo na lang. Dali.
Sige.
You can do it, Beshi. Kaya mo yan. I trust you. Go, Beshi.
Wait, Besh!
Coach. Pinapatawag daw po kayong Ma'am A.
Pwede siya lumapit dito.
Hindi ko ho alam eh. Sabi lang ho, kailangan niya daw ho kayo.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
How are you, sir? Yes,
I'm good.
Na-enjoy mo ba yung workout mo dito so far?
Yeah.
Ilang years ka na member dito? If I may ask.
Going to.
Going 2 years na. Actually, napansin ko na first time mo dito. Sobrang laki na ng improvement mo eh. Tapos lumakas na rin yung cardio mo.
Oo.
Everyday ka nagka-cardio.
Yes, thank you.
Instead na, bumili ako ng bahay, ng lupa.
Uy, tikman! Sobra naman kayo!
Million.
15? Oh. Wala pa equipment ka.
Kausapin kita later ah. Mabilis.
Alright. Okay.
Jerk! Ano to? Bakit may ganito akong video, Zach? I-delete ko to ngayon na this is a violation of my privacy! Zach, ano ba? Ano ba? I-delete ko to! I-delete ko yan ngayon na.
Or else, anong gagawin mo?
Isusumbok kita! Isusumbok kita sa pulis!
Isusumbok mo ako.
Oo, isusumbok kita!
Fine! Report me to the police! Let them have a look. Iisip ko lang, ano kaya magiging reaksyon ng pamilya mo? Yan, ang fiancé mo. Pag nalaman nila to.
Zach! Zach,
Hindi!
delete mo yan, Zach! Delete mo yan, Zach!
Tumawa ko ba? Stop.
Please. Delete mo na, please. Please, Zach. Delete mo na yun. Ngayon na, please. No, please.
No!
He's not my friend. Boyfriend lang siya ng kapatid ko at business partner ng fiancé ko. Nothing more to it. He's not my friend. You know what? I have more important things to do than help you solve this stupid crime.
Baka nauuhaw ka.
Oh, it's okay, Inspector. I have my own. I always make sure to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Makes my skin glow. By the way, Inspector, I know my rights. Did I mention a while ago that I'm studying law?
Yung tungkol sa sunog.
Res est paliquitir. That is Latin for the thing speaks for itself. Nagkaroon ng sunog sa gym. Nadamay si Zach. That's all I know.
So yun guys, I really believe na you guys have to keep very organized kasi sa dami ng digests na kailangan nating gawin, we really need to stay on top of it. So guys, if kaya niyong mag-Excel sheet or anything like that, that's my tip. And of course, Pomodoro. Yes. Alright, so let's read some comments and see who wants to be shouted out. Hello, Carl Wise. Hello, how are you? And oh my gosh, Coach Zach is online. Hello, Coach Zach, and welcome to the stream. Sabi ni Coach Zach, my watch is on fire. Mine na daw. Nako, Coach Zach, thank you so much for noticing my watch. But unfortunately, it is not for sale kasi pinamana sa akin to ng daddy ko. So, very priceless ito. And speaking of expensive watches, our question for today is it illegal to buy fake luxury items? Well, according to our law books, it is not illegal to wear knockoffs and buy knockoffs. Ang illegal ay ang pagbebenta. So, if ikaw ang nagbebenta, ikaw ang pwedeng kasuhan. So, it's not technically illegal, but in my opinion, I think that we should just support original products, and I really don't believe that we should be buying fake items. So, that is my advice for today. And of course, don't forget to continue supporting your law school girls. See you guys next time, and case closed. Oh my God!
Pina-check ko sa appraiser yung watch ng daddy mo. 8 ang original serial number ng Romanati. Sobra ito ng 2!
Oh my God, can you calm down? What are you talking about? Can I see? Oh my... Zach!
Balik mo yan sa daddy mo. Ibalik mo sa akin yung pera ko!
Wait lang, okay? There must be some mistake. This is a rare item, okay? Ang tagal na nito sa dad ko. Bata pa lang ako sinusuot na
Wala
dito.
akong pakialam sino sinungaling. Ikaw yung appraiser. Asan yung pera?
It's gone. I don't have it.
How could you lose all the money in just a week?
I paid my credit card and then the rest, I just treated myself to some me time. I mean...
I want my money back! Wala akong pakialam kung paano mo ako mababayaran. Wala akong pakialam kahit ibenta mo yung kidney mo. Gawin mo yun! Yana, you don't want to be on my bad side. Ako na pala tumatambay, Ana. Hindi ka na kasi pumupunta sa bistro eh. Bakit? Iwasan mo ba ako?
Siyempre, I just don't...
Asan yung pera ko?
Sakto lang pa kasi yung bayad sa akin, but...
Damn it, Yana! Talaga ako siniseryoso, no? Siguro naman yan, seryosohin mo na ako.
Sorry. I just need time. I just need time. I promise I will be back, okay?
Siguraduhin mo. Hindi ka lang sa utang mapapaw.
I really don't know what happened, Inspector. Maybe it was an accident or maybe someone caused the fire. Pero kung merong mangnanadyan ng sunog, dapat managot sila. Duralex said Lex. The law is harsh, but it is the law.